Excellent Elite SPANKER 40 liters Tactical Outdoor Backpack. A 40-liter large space can store items needed for short camping trips of 3 to 4 days. Deep mesh pockets on both sides, with a large water bottle and umbrella securely inserted. The front zipper pocket can store commonly used small items such as power banks, ID cards, headphones, etc., which can be taken at any time. The top zipper storage bag can hold quick access equipment such as headlights and knee pads. The front molle system allows customization of hanging small bags, DIY extension kettle bags, accessory bags, and other equipment. The camping backpack is made of 500D Cordura nylon fabric, which offers exceptional tear and abrasion resistance. It also has color-fast properties to prevent fading, is water repellent, and highly durable. The camouflage materials are all made of imported multicam fabrics from the United States, which have better camouflage properties. All buckles are made of Utex Duo NAFU buckles, which are more durable and long-lasting. When you need extra space for more items, the main compartment opening has expandable sections. Just tighten the drawstrings to squeeze in even more. The bag compartment has nearly 40 liters of storage space, with a layered design that can hold laptops and water bags. The main warehouse has reserved water outlet positions, making it more convenient to use. The shoulder straps of the backpack are widened by 7 centimeters, making the shoulder area larger and more even, making it more comfortable to carry. Mesh shoulder straps are more breathable. In short, as an outdoor enthusiast or in need of a portable and durable backpack, this is a reliable choice.